welcome to Robin's house. Today I'm working on my Gingerbread Man Cards with Robin, and this card is a fun fold. So what you do is you pull it up, and then it sits on the bottom half of the card. So I just wanted to quickly show you how cool it is because it's super easy. And so what you need is your trimmer and your embossing tool, and then you just need your card base. So sometimes you have ones that are already made, like the reflections ones, or you cut it from your own craft cardstock. But what we want to do is score a diagonal line from the outer tip to the inner tip. And you do that by sliding it into your trimmer. No, it doesn't have to. It has to go up. And scoring it along. So my card is open so that it's going to open like this, and I want it to because I'm going to fold it down to hold that new shape. And so what you're going to do is put a card after I embossed this one. I dry embossed this one and put a pattern on the back, and I'm going to secure it, but I'm only going to secure it to the front of that score line. And that way, when I bring it up, you just need to put something in this bottom corner of the card to catch it so that it can sit on its own. So it's a very, very simple card, fun fold to accomplish, and I hope you'll give it a try. So thank you very much for watching. Happy crafting.